Introducing ZUS, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, ZUS has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, ZUS is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the ZUS app and follow the red arrow to find your car. ZUS also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. ZUS is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why ZUS is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.
The Autel Maxisys CV Complete Diagnostic Scan Tablet provides repair technicians with OE-level vehicle diagnostics for light-duty, medium-duty, and heavy-duty commercial vehicles. Utilizing a 10-inch touchscreen, the Maxisys CV Android operating system performs extensive diagnostics on more than 60 heavy-duty vehicle brands. The quad-core processor and 32GB operating memory provide quick, responsive diagnostics, while its 11,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures 8 hours of continuous use. A complete Maxisys CV kit comes with the latest compact-sized J2534 MaxiFlash Elite Wireless Bluetooth VCI to provide the furthest mobile operation around the vehicle. The toolkit comes with the standard 16-pin connector used on many medium and heavy-duty trucks, and both 6 and 9-pin Deutsch, both first and second generation, connectors for the remaining HD vehicles. Plus, the tool ships with a full set of probes, including a universal probe for trailer connection. And the Maxisys CV will soon be compatible with RP1210 to provide more functions on more heavy-duty vehicles as well. Pre-configured to automatically seek out and pair with its VCI, simply plug into the vehicle DLC and turn on the ignition. Then power on the Maxisys CV to automatically establish communication. Next, tap the vehicle icon on the menu. Select Auto VIN Detect, and the tool will automatically identify the year, model series, engine and transmission type, and scan all available systems for faults. For vehicles not supporting the Auto ID feature, the easy-to-use Maxisys application navigation enables technicians to logically conduct diagnostics, whether scanning for codes, or performing a maintenance services. The Maxisys CV includes an OBD2 auto scan capability and is compatible with an extensive range of commercial vehicles, including, but not limited to, heavy-duty truck manufacturers such as Volvo, Ford, International, Mack and Freightliner, and bus manufacturers including Isuzu, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, and Mitsubishi Fuso. Expert mode covers diagnostic issues on manufacturer-specific systems, including Bendix and Wabco vehicle brakes and trailer brake systems, Detroit, Caterpillar and Cummins engine systems, and Allison and Eaton for transmissions, rear ends, and differentials. With Maxisys CV, you are able to perform a wide range of functions, including but not limited to read and clear codes, view and graph live data, perform tool-guided maintenance services, complete an array of special functions, and diagnose manufacturer-specific systems, bidirectionally test transmission components, and reset specific calibrations, perform comprehensive vehicle analysis, actuation tests, and adaptations with ECU information. Yes, Autel has gone commercial. The Maxisys CV meets or exceeds competitor coverage, quality, and affordability. Autel continues to improve and expand the Maxisys CV software capabilities and share via regular software updates. Our tech support team offers phone assistance and can remotely live chat on your tablet to walk technicians through complicated procedures or simply update tool software. If you have questions about your tool features or how to register to perform software updates, please contact our tech support or visit our website. Thank you for being a valued Autel customer.
The B Pro hands-free car speakerphone is easy to use. It comes with a convenient car charger and USB cord. Simply connect the two parts and plug it into the car lighter socket. Once the B Pro is charged, slide the power switch to on. Then, hold the voice command key down for a few seconds to select your language. Now, pair the device to your phone through Bluetooth, and it will let you know when it is connected.
Connected.
Simply slide the B Pro onto your sun visor and you're ready to go. Use voice commands to answer calls by saying yes, yes, and decline calls by saying no, no. Make a call by pressing the voice command button to activate Siri. Call Peter Thompson.
Calling Peter Thompson.
The B Pro speaker will also play music and GPS directions from your phone. Order yours today.